Hey everyone, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. It's me, Marisa here. I have a special guest. This is my boyfriend, Daymon.
That's me. She's been hiding me from you. She's embarrassed.
We've been together for like a year and a half.
More than that.
Today, we're going to be doing the boyfriend does my makeup challenge, but blindfolded.
Yeah.
I gave him like a crate of makeup. And like, he kind of knows what some stuff is because like he just knows me. I gave him my James Charles brush set. We're gonna see how he does.
Not well. At all.
But if you guys enjoy, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more videos just like these. And if you like seeing him, let me know.
You're about to look like a hot wreck, so let's get this moving.
So, let's get started.
Let me reach into this crate here and find some foundation.
I'm not even more to start with.
I do that. Is that a thing?
It's a thing.
Is it upside down? What? How?
It's a pump.
Oh dear. Is this foundation? What?
I'm not telling you.
What are you? Okay.
I don't want to tell you.
I'm gonna.
Oh my gosh, this is what you do.
Well, I'm gonna put a dab on my finger.
Oh my gosh, you have so much dried up. Okay, just keep going.
You can see this is going well already. Where's your face? Let me put the
You
cap
have to
back
find
on.
my face.
Okay, forehead.
Oh my god.
Dab.
That's my eyebrow.
Some dabs. There we go. Get the blender. Blend it up. Nice and smooth like.
That's not how you blend. My eyebrow.
Get it out of the way. We're gonna reach
It's
for.
not blended.
I can't see.
This side needs blended.
Nice
Yeah,
and
my cheek.
evenly.
There you go.
There we go.
I have a zit there. That really hurts.
Well, that's fun. I'm sorry about that. So,
What?
what
Now,
next?
I use another liquid on my face.
Of course you do.
I'll give you a hint. It's skinny. No.
It's
no way.
skinny. We're gonna go with curtain number 2.
Oh my gosh. I'm so scared.
Why does this feel like lip gloss?
It is.
Oh no! Give me them luscious lips. Here, hold this.
No, you're going out of order.
I don't care.
You need concealer.
I don't care. Alright. There's your face. Come here, hon. Let me find the tip of this thing.
Oh my god.
Alright. Am I hot or cold?
Hot.
Thank you.
That's my chin.
Come here. I got this. Right on target.
You put it in my mouth.
Hey, we got the lip gloss covered. Hand me that. Cool.
That
All
wasn't
right.
even the next step.
Trust me with the eyeliner right now.
I didn't put any in there because I don't wear it.
Okay, I'm gonna grab a big poofy brush.
Wait, no, I'm helping
Okay.
him with brushes because if he uses the wrong brushes, I might cry.
I'm incompetent. So
This
it's
is what
okay.
you use with this.
Okay, it's a big poofy boy. I'm gonna dab a liberal amount
Oh, okay.
and just get it nice and heaping. Make a nice mess, and bring me your face. Seems like a nice even coating. Oh,
This is so.
I want to get in on some of this. Yep. Okay.
You've been great, sweetie.
Oh, thanks.
You're welcome.
I'm so glad that I have your validation. All right, I'm just gonna do poop and
That was my ear.
poop.
That was my eye.
Whoa! I did a step. What is this? What color is this? Whatever it is.
I'm not telling you.
But I want to know. I want to know how pretty I'm gonna make you.
I'm already pretty.
Didn't I say that? I said that.
Isn't he cute? I love him.
I told you, my idiot.
Thank you. I love you too. Oh my gosh, that's not what you're supposed to do.
Da 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 da. I feel like Bob Ross. I'm just gonna paint a happy little tree here.
Here, I'm like moving my face for you to help you. Okay, yeah, I think you're good.
Do you think that's enough?
Yeah, I think. Oh
Alright.
my gosh.
Yes. Did I make a mess?
No.
I don't like how you're reacting right now.
There's lipstick in my brush. Well, Sister James, if you're out there, I need a new Morphe M527.
Ha! The things we do for YouTube.
What is next?
I'd say eyebrows. So,
Okay.
where's your tweezers?
Oh my goodness.
There's your eyebrow. Where's the tip of this thing? There it is. Alright, let me line
You
it
don't
up.
have to press super hard, by the way. That's not even my. Oh, you're actually on my eyebrow. Good job.
My hands don't deceive me. My eyes do right now. Boop. There you go.
What was that?
I don't know. That felt like a place where your eyebrow would be. After all, it is here. Where's the middle? There it is.
Leave my unibrow alone. Ow! That was my eye. Thank you, good sir.
Are you pretty yet?
I don't know.
Anything else I should do, honey bunches?
Try to do some.
Don't answer that.
You should do mascara and eyeshadow. Or I look so.
That's mascara.
Yeah.
Ha ha ha.
Oh, if you don't hold my eye out or blind me.
Alright, where's the end of it? I'm gonna get mascara on my finger. Okay. That's an
Oh.
eyelash.
Oh!
Where's your. Oh, there it is.
Ah!
Give me a little dip.
Little dip. There you go.
Top me off. Oh god, I got it on my fingers. I can feel it. Where's it at? There's a lash.
Ow!
There's a lash. Where's that? Is that a lash? Is that
No.
I did it. I did a good job. I can't see.
Great, guys. Oh, that's exciting. You should use that.
I feel like this is eyeshadow.
No, it's something more special.
Do 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 do
Here, you can use this. There you go. Use that.
Why you take
No,
so
yeah.
long? Do 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 do.
He can like sing really good. I told him he should make like a singing channel on
No, I
YouTube.
can't.
He's like a really good singer. Like he's an amazing
She
singer.
doesn't know what she's talking about. Is this like a bunch of different colors?
No, it's one color. Oh my gosh.
I'm gonna put it there.
Oh my gosh, you actually put it on the right spot.
What?
There's like a lot of it, but like I actually put this on my nose a lot. Not in my ears. You can put it on my cheeks.
I don't know what part of your face
Okay.
it is.
Okay. Oh.
You're having fun.
I am having fun. Alright, so I think we're ready for the big reveal. Are you excited?
I'm scared.
Why? It's your work. It's your masterpiece.
You're gonna look awful. That's what. Okay. Oh, it's bright in here. Oh my god. Oh my god.
I think
There's lipstick on your nose. What have I done to you? I'm so sorry.
it's so fun. I think for redemption we should do like he should do my makeup like try to for real. Like one day.
It's not a blindfold, I promise. I might actually do a somewhat competent
Well,
job of that.
Okay, here's the stuff you used. This was highlighter.
Wait, is this the one that I was like ruining? Oh my.
This was bronzer.
Oh god.
I didn't know you did all that, but it's
Sorry.
fine. No, it's fine. Then you use this lipstick. You picked the darkest one out of the 3 options. So.
Complexion seems to be darkening a bit.
Oh, yeah, you use a darker foundation too.
Oh yeah, it's probably all. Oh god.
Oh my gosh, you have it all over you.
A little bit.
Alright, so I guess that concludes this video. If you guys enjoyed, don't forget to give it a huge thumbs up.
For me.
And leave some comments down below and subscribe. Also just wanted to say thank you for 1,000 subscribers. Yeah, I've literally been doing YouTube for so many years and like I finally hit 1K, so it is like insane, but I'm so excited. So thank you guys for that, and I hope you enjoyed this little video, and if you want to see more of him, let me know. And I can force him to do this again. This was like a really spontaneous thing, but like it turned out really fun and cute, so.
Yeah, finding your studio lights was an interesting endeavor.
I had to find my studio lights, and then I couldn't find my tripod, so
Yeah,
I
you're
like,
currently sitting on a shelf.
Yeah.
In a book and a crate.
Yeah. You are Hot Mess Express.
Especially you right now.
I am the definition of Hot Mess Express. So, thank you guys for watching, and we will talk to you guys later. Bye!